This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to access Instagram business profile analytics to see how your business profile has been performing on Instagram, to see the insights and analytics that can guide you in curating your content, like when to post, who's your target audience, or who are you reaching the most. These analytics can be accessed through your mobile app. You cannot access them on the PC. This is the Instagram PC. As you know, you can't post on this. There's not much you can do except view or edit your profile on this. So I'll be showing you on the mobile app itself. The screen might be a bit small, but bear with me. Instagram doesn't allow us to access the insights on the computer. So I'll be showing you the insights on the mobile app, and here we are.
So I'll show you how to access the Instagram business analytics from your Instagram business page. Now, once you've set up the Instagram business profile and you've been posting and active on it, you just come to the page itself. On the profile at the very top, you'll see the three lines, the menu. Just click on it, then go to Insights. So once you get to Insights, this is what you'll see. You'll see activity, interactions. I've not been posting regularly on this page, so you'll see I did a post on Monday just to show you what this looks like. It's showing me one interaction in the last 7 days and 90 profiles reached by that post, as you can see. And then it's giving me a comparison. Of impressions between this and the week before. As you can see. And you can click on I here on information for each to see what each of the analytics is showing you. So what are interactions? There's a set of insight that measures the actions people take when they engage with your account. So this is profile visits specifically. This one is profile visits. And it's showing you at the bottom there. I had one profile visit. Then this is the number of people reached, the number of unique accounts that have seen my posts, and the reach metric is an estimate and may not be exact. Then total impressions are the total number of times all your posts have been seen. So this is the reach. It reached 90 people. 70 on Monday, 14 on Tuesday, and 8 on Wednesday. The post itself, I put it up on Monday. That's why it has the most impressions on Monday. So the reach is the people who've seen your post. Impressions, we've seen it's what? The total number of times all of your posts have been seen, whether it's by the same account or different accounts. That's the activity for the last 7 days. You can go to content, the post analytics itself. So under content, you can get even more in depth on the post specific analytics. Now you can get the analytics for specific posts. Right now I only have one post for the last couple of months, so that's what I'm seeing, though I can click see all to see even the previous posts analytics. Now you can see each post is giving you a number, which is the engagement on that post. So for example, this, you can see, you click on it, you can see the number of likes, and under each post you can view the insights. For example, this specific post had 204 likes, 5 comments, and 12 saves. That is, people saved that post to their collections. And then it had one promotion click, that's to visit website. It had 93% visit profile, 322, and 1 person clicked on email. Now this one, the post I've opened had a promotion, which is why I chose to use this, because it has, I think, the biggest analytics. It had a promotion running on it. It had 73,819 people reached. 99% weren't following me, 100% came from the promotion. And from this post I got 31 follows, and I spent $28 to promote this. And you can see even the gender, 31% were men, 69% were women. You can even go into the age range. You can see majority were 18 to 24, followed by 25 to 34, and then top locations were Nairobi. So you can view so much from insights on the Instagram business profile. So that's the analytics for the specific post. Let me show you that last post, which was an organic post. So this one was not promoted. Let me show you the insights. This is what the insights look like for the organic posts, because there's no paid promotion. The analytics is a bit smaller. So it had 8 likes, 0 comments, 0 direct messages, and 0 saves to collection. But it had 1 profile visit and 90 profiles reached, as you can see. And it had 118 impressions. So from home it's 102 impressions, and from hashtags it's 16. That's anyone looking at the hashtags that I used, like hashtag travel and so on. And this post is not promoted. And it got 1 profile visit. So that's another way you can, so that's the way you can view your insights for specific posts under content. I don't have any stories to show you for now, or promotions. I've shown you the first one, the analytics for promoted posts. I don't have any for stories to show. I actually haven't done many stories on this profile. I've shown you for activity. Now for general followers, general audience analytics, you go to audience at the very end. It's showing me I have 138 followers. So follow my profile, Njambiz Travels, on Instagram. Follow. And then it's showing me I've had 2 followers in the last 7 days. It's not been very active, so that makes sense. The top locations for my followers are Nairobi, followed by Mombasa, Thika, Arusha, and Nyeri, because most of my content is mostly curated for the Kenya market. So that makes sense. And you can even view in terms of country. I have Kenya, Tanzania, and a few from France, Martinique, South Africa. Then age range, you can view all. My majority of my audience is 25 to 34, which makes sense, 18 to 24. I mostly deal in adventure travel packages, which for this makes sense for the age group. And the safaris, of course, for the 35 to 44 and 65 plus. We have holidays and vacation packages. And you can view even in terms of men versus the age range analytics for women. And all in all, the majority, even for all and for men and women, is 25 to 34, which is my target audience, so that is good. Then the gender of my followers, 51% are women, 49% are men. Then the followers in terms of days they're most active and times they're most active on Instagram. So for example, this is the hours. You can see they're most active 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. they're very active, and then 9 p.m. very active. So that's over the lunch hour period, in the morning to lunch hour, and then at night. You can even check the activities in terms of days to see the most active days. Right now it's showing me people are most active on Instagram. My followers specifically are most active on Instagram on Wednesdays and Tuesdays. And in terms of hours, I have 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 9 p.m. at night. Which means if I'm looking to get the most engagement out of my posts, these are the days I should be posting and the times I should be posting. And it is giving you the breakdown of time for every single day. So if you want to know what time is best to post on Saturday, you can see 6 p.m. is an ideal time. If you want to post on Sunday, 12 p.m. is an ideal time. If you want to post on Monday, 12 p.m. or 6 p.m. is an ideal time, and so on. It helps you in curating your content. So your analytics always guide you in curating your content. Do not ignore the analytics. Let them guide you on how to post to get the most out of your content, and especially if you're mostly doing organic reach. So that's it on how to check your analytics on your Instagram app for business. You can only check insights for business accounts. These options are not available on personal accounts. As you can see, these insights are not available on personal accounts. So you have to set up your account as a business profile in order to get those insights. In other news, you can follow me on Instagram at LazyNjambi. Yes, follow me.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you have learned something. I hope it was informative. If it was and you've learned something, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Share it widely. Let others learn as well. Let's all keep each other informed. Let's keep learning. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, comments, or feedback on this video or any other topics regarding digital marketing tips that you would like me to do a video on. I am happy to take suggestions. I will do any video that you want me to do. So comment below, let me know, give me your feedback, any questions and so on, and any videos you'd like to see me do. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel. I share digital marketing videos weekly together with my regular videos. I share them at least once a week on the minimum, so you can see more digital marketing tips and tutorials on this channel on a weekly basis. So subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified when I put up new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.